Hello everyone, I'm Ducky. Today's topic is role of switches. Switch is a network device commonly used in enterprises. There are generally two specifications for switches, or 24 parts or 48 parts. So, what's the purpose of switch parts? We have 100 people in a company. It would be costly and inconvenient to provide each person with a dedicated broadband connection. Therefore, the first step is to connect 100 computers together using switches. If we use a 48-part switch, we would only need 3 switches. Then, we connect them to a router. As a result, we can understand that switches are devices used for aggregation and consolidation. In addition, the network created by connecting switches is called LAN. It allows for the sharing and management of systems related to the company internally. In summary, switches can aggregate terminal devices and create LAN, facilitating internal communication and information sharing within the network. Okay, buddy, our sharing ends here today. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.